students. So today we are here with another informative science video about structure of a seed. You are familiar with different kinds of seeds. All of these seeds have different sizes, shapes and colors. But there are some basic structures present in every seed, which we are going to discuss in this video. Let's go. Seed has three most basic parts inside it. Number one, seed coat. Number two, embryo. And third one is endosperm. The outermost covering of a seed is called as seed coat. It is meant to protect the seed from drying out. Then there is embryo present inside the seed. When we remove the seed coat, the part of the seed which we see is called the embryo. The embryo is a tiny baby plant, and it contains some leaf-like structures called seed leaves or the cotyledons. Last but not the least structure is endosperm. It is a food store surrounding the embryo. It stores the food and helps the baby plant to grow. Some seeds are, when fully developed, they lack the endosperm, and then in place of endosperm, cotyledon performs the function of food store.